Those loud gurgling noises can be really embarrassing. You're in a meeting and your stomach rumbles and people hear it and they look at you.
Look away!
That is actually a normal thing that your intestines are moving about every 90 minutes trying to clear out.
Evacuate.
Those noises are just fluid and air being squished and moved along. The problem is that if it's so loud or you're really bloated and have issues with it, then those noises are telling you something else.
What are you trying to tell me?
So if it's just kind of a normal thing for you, and if you eat, they go away, we know that's what's going on. If you eat and they get worse, then you might have something like bacterial overgrowth or even a bigger problem like Crohn's disease.
That sounds bad. Sounds real bad.
So the noises are typically normal, but if they get excessive, definitely go talk to somebody.